Hi, I'm Rami from ALANEESQATAR. Today, I'm going to show you something new. We are using our mobile phones not just for calling, we're also using it watching video, playing games, hearing music, and others. The battery life that provides by the mobile company, it's not enough for our use. So, we will go for the option of using power banks. Power banks are usually big in size and it's very hard to carry while traveling. And this product I'm going to show you today will solve all this kind of problem and makes you happy. Introducing Magnetic Portable Charger Power Bank with Lightning USB, Micro USB, USB Type-C input and output. So we're going to unbox this product and see how it works. The box contains Android pin, Type-C pin, Lightning charging pin, and the pins are magnetic which can be attached easily and removed for the another packs. These mini power banks can be carried anywhere in the pockets. Portable and lightweight charging packs are lipstick size and big plug anywhere traveling and using for the mobiles. Each charging pack is the size of a USB drive. It's so small you can put right back in your pocket or you can use while it's charging. Each charging pack provides for the phone with enough power of 1 hour of gaming, 2 hours of video watching, 2 hours of internet browsing, and even 4 hours of talk time. So this is the charging station and this is the charging pack. We can put the charging pack to the charging station and it will start charging. Attach the suitable pin to the power pack and connect it to your mobile and it will charge. The charging station can also use as a power bank. I'll show you how. And it will charge. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, visit alaneesqatar.qa, and stay updated with the latest offers.